Many of you may be familiar with the movie Fireproof. This was a Christian movie that was produced by the Kendrick brothers that detailed one couple's journey from a very troubled marriage headed for divorce to a marriage with Christ at the center, where they learn to love each other unconditionally and they learn to grow in Christ together. If you watch the movie Fireproof, you can get a glimpse of what the Love Dare journey looks like when you take it. The Love Dare book is designed not only to draw you closer to your spouse, but also to draw you closer to the Lord as you take the Love Dare journey, and the Lord reveals to you what true unconditional love looks like. You will learn more about your spouse and you will grow in intimacy with your spouse as you take action every day to practice unconditional love. Doing the Love Dare completely changed my marriage, and as I watched and prayed during the 40 days of doing the Love Dare, I saw my marriage go from a marriage that was on the brink of divorce to a marriage that was loving, that was thriving, that was growing in intimacy and love, not only for each other, but also for the Lord. And today our marriage is happier and stronger than it's ever been. And this is why I'm so excited to share the Love Dare with you. The Love Dare book is the New York Times #1 bestseller that has sold over 5 million copies. Whether your marriage is hanging by a thread or healthy and strong, the Love Dare is a journey that you need to take. What is your role as a Christian wife, and how can the Love Dare help you fulfill that role? The Love Dare event will help you grow closer with your husband in marriage as you grow closer to the Lord at the same time. Join us on Saturday, April 6th from 9 a.m. to noon as we enjoy fellowship and a breakfast bar featuring made-to-order omelets. Now, I know this event sounds amazing and you'll all want to come, but this is a Renew Women's event for women only. But don't worry, all you husbands out there. I know your wives are going to come home so excited to share with you what they learned at the Love Dare event so that you can embark on the Love Dare journey together.